The average SUV costs nearly $10,000 a year to keep running. Repairs, insurance, maintenance. It's like paying a second mortgage just to stay on the road. Every oil change and glowing check engine light, another bill, another weekend lost. But not every SUV bleeds your wallet. Some quietly pass 300,000 miles, even 400,000, needing little more than oil filters and basic care. These are the SUVs mechanics respect, but dealers dislike because they don't break down. They just keep driving. Today, we're counting down 9 SUVs that protect your money, hold their value, and run for decades. Stay until the end because number 1 in the bonus segment reveal 2 SUVs that can bankrupt you faster than bad crypto. Picture this. Your SUV crosses 200,000 miles. Still strong, still smooth. Because in this world, mileage isn't a number, it's proof. Proof your car's heart still beats. Proof your wallet stays safe. And proof that you own the road, not the repair shop. We start at number 9. The SUV that made reliability cool again. At number 9, we start with the Subaru Outback, the wagon that refused to die. Back in the 1990s, Subaru took a simple station wagon and made it unstoppable. They raised the suspension, added rugged cladding, and gave it symmetrical all-wheel drive. Standard, not optional. Families finally had a car that handled snow, rain, and gravel roads without breaking a sweat. It looked humble, but it was built to last. Most Outbacks roll past 200,000 miles with only oil changes and brake jobs. Plenty hit 300,000 miles when owners keep up simple maintenance. Even mechanics admit it, these things rarely break down. Insurance is cheaper too. Its top Safety Pick Plus rating means you pay less every month, saving money while staying safe. Imagine the keys turning at 250,000 miles. The engine hums, steady and calm, no warning lights, no stress, just peace of mind in motion. If the Outback is reliable, the next SUV is legendary. It's the best seller in America. And there's a reason why. At number 8, we have the Toyota RAV4, the SUV that made reliability mainstream. It's America's best-selling SUV, and not by luck. Toyota nailed the formula. A rock-solid chassis, a bulletproof engine, and easy daily comfort. Older RAV4s cruise past 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. I've seen 2010 models still running their original drivetrains like new. Here's the wild part. Used RAV4s often sell for nearly as much as new competitors. That's depreciation protection other brands can only dream about. While most cars lose half their value the moment they leave the lot, the RAV4 behaves like a savings bond. It doesn't just move you, it holds your worth. That's not luck, that's financial armor on 4 wheels. Because owning a RAV4 means more than saving on repairs. It means you're protecting your future every mile you drive. But what if you want luxury without stress? The next SUV proves you can have both, and the price might shock you. At number 7, we have the Acura RDX, the luxury SUV that's secretly a Honda in disguise. From 2013 to 2018, it shared the same V6 engine as the Honda Pilot. That means you're driving a Honda heart wrapped in leather. While others chase BMWs and Audis, smart buyers choose the RDX. Half the price, half the maintenance, twice the peace of mind. Most luxury SUVs drop in value like a rock, but the RDX holds strong. It keeps its value and its reputation. You can often find a used RDX for less than a Toyota RAV4, with more comfort, space, and features. Owners easily hit 150,000 miles with simple oil changes and routine care. No $5,000 repair bills, no German drama. Just quiet, dependable performance. It's the luxury SUV that never forgot its Honda roots. But the next SUV comes from a brand once mocked by mechanics, until it earned their respect. At number 6, we meet the Hyundai Santa Fe, the underdog that refused to stay a punchline. A decade ago, saying reliable Hyundai made people laugh. Not anymore. The Santa Fe changed everything. Its secret weapon? A 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. The best in the business. That's like getting an extended warranty built right into the price tag. But this isn't just clever marketing. Real owners report 200,000 miles and beyond with simple maintenance. The ride is smooth, the fuel economy solid, and insurance rates stay low. It's the perfect mix of comfort, value, and dependability. For budget-conscious drivers, that's not just savings, it's peace of mind you can't find elsewhere. The Santa Fe turned doubt into trust and skepticism into confidence. From the factory floor to the open road, it became a quiet symbol of redemption. But if you crave luxury without stress, the next SUV delivers it flawlessly. At number 5, we have the Lexus LX, a Toyota Land Cruiser in a tuxedo. Under the leather and chrome, it's still a Land Cruiser at heart, one of the most indestructible machines ever built. These SUVs are legends. They don't just reach 400,000 miles, they often pass 500,000, and some have even touched 1 million. From Africa's deserts to Middle Eastern highways, the LX keeps rolling long after others give up. Yes, it drinks fuel like it's celebrating, but it will outlast your mortgage. While a Mercedes G-Wagon burns through $2,000 repairs, the LX just asks for oil, filters, and tires. That's it. And here's the best part. Used LX models barely depreciate. You pay more up front, but years later, you can sell it for almost the same price. That's not just reliability, that's financial immortality on wheels. Want something smaller yet just as bulletproof? The next SUV proves size isn't strength, endurance is. At number 4, we meet the Mazda CX-5. The SUV that proves style and reliability can live together. Most compact SUVs feel like appliances. The CX-5 feels alive. It drives like a car, hugs corners, and looks sharper than anything in its class. But here's the secret. Mazda refused to use a CVT transmission. Instead, they stuck with a 6-speed automatic. Smoother, simpler, and far more reliable. That single decision saves owners thousands in future repairs. Add a 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating, and the CX-5 becomes one of the most trusted SUVs on the road. It might be smaller than a RAV4, but you trade cargo space for pure driving joy. Hands on the steering wheel. Tight corner ahead. The engine hums steady at 180,000 miles. No noise, no stress, just confidence on wheels. And if you think that's impressive, wait for the next SUV. It went from failure to legend. At number 3, we meet the Subaru Forester, the quiet hero of the road. It's one of the most reliable vehicles ever tested. Consumer Reports gave it a 98 out of 100 reliability score. Almost perfect. Yes, early models had CVT issues, but Subaru didn't hide. They fixed them. Here's the key. Change your CVT fluid every 30,000 miles, and these SUVs just don't quit. Many hit 200,000 miles easily. Some push 250,000 and keep going. Loyal owners keep resale strong, meaning you can sell high even after years of use. Add standard all-wheel drive, top-tier safety, and affordable parts, and you've got a car built for both mountains and city streets. It's not flashy, it's faithful, and that's rare today. But now, get ready for the SUV that didn't just last, it dethroned Toyota's legend. At number 2, the Honda CR-V takes the spotlight. For years, it's battled the Toyota RAV4 for the crown. But lately, the CR-V has taken the lead. Why? Better handling, smarter design, legendary longevity. There are second-gen CR-Vs from the early 2000s still driving today, with 500,000 miles on the clock. 500,000. Same engine, same transmission. That's not luck. That's engineering discipline. Insurance companies love it too. Its top safety pick plus rating keeps premiums low. And resale? Still sky high after years of driving. A clean CR-V barely loses money. It's one of the smartest car investments you can make. The odometer clicks past 450,000. The engine hums. No smoke, no leaks, just legacy in motion. But the next SUV? It takes that same Honda DNA and makes it even cheaper to own. Welcome to number 1. At number 1, meet the Honda HR-V, the little beast that refuses to quit. Don't let its small size fool you. This SUV is tougher than it looks. Owners report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with nothing but oil, filters, and patience. That's reliability per dollar at its finest. Fuel economy? A clean 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Insurance? Low and friendly, thanks to top safety scores and cheap parts. Resale? Still strong years later. The HR-V holds value like a champion. It's not about speed or status. It's about peace of mind every mile you drive. Small SUV, big legacy. 180,000 miles, 34 mpg. Zero regrets, because sometimes smaller is smarter. But before we wrap up, here come 2 SUVs that can destroy your wallet if you're not careful. Now, before you go shopping, let's flip the list. 2 SUVs you should never touch, no matter how shiny the ad looks. SUV number 1, Jeep Wrangler. Iconic? Yes. Reliable? Not even close. Electrical issues, oil leaks, and the dreaded death wobble turn this dream into a nightmare. Add poor crash scores and your insurance bill will break you faster than the car itself. SUV number 2, Ford Explorer. Looks good on paper, roomy, stylish, powerful, but pop the hood and the truth hurts. Transmission failures, water pump leaks, and recalls galore. Even insurers know it's risky, which means higher rates and lower peace of mind. Here's the real secret. Mileage isn't just a number, it's a scorecard of wisdom. 200,000 miles means you made a smart choice. 300,000 means you've reached financial freedom. 400,000 means you've built a legacy. Because true power isn't under the hood, it's in how long the engine keeps your wallet safe. Most people chase horsepower, badges, and luxury features. The smartest drivers chase peace of mind. A reliable SUV doesn't just save money, it buys you freedom. Freedom to travel, freedom to save, freedom to stop worrying every time that check engine light blinks. These 9 SUVs don't just move you, they free you. They let you buy once and drive forever. Remember the start? Most SUVs drain $10,000 a year. These ones, they laugh at that number because they're built to last, built to protect, and built to endure. So ask yourself, do you want a car that bleeds you dry or one that builds wealth mile by mile? The road's waiting. Choose wisely. The smartest SUV isn't about badges or horsepower. It's about peace of mind. It's knowing that at 200,000 miles, your engine starts, your lights work, and your smile stays. You've seen the Outback's AABD, the RAV4's resale armor, the RDX's luxury trick, and the CR-V's 500,000-mile proof. That's not hype, that's financial freedom on wheels. Because real power isn't acceleration, it's reliability. Real luxury isn't leather, it's not worrying. Comment your favorite high-mileage SUV and subscribe for more cars that never quit. Because true power isn't speed, it's the freedom to drive forever.